Oh my god. They're gone now. They're gone.
Still come now.
Oh, now they're coming.
They.
Pashank! Both of them are coming. Yellow one.
Yellow.
And then it's gonna be purple. Oh, it's white, and then it's gonna be purple. Oh, red, and then it's gonna be purple.
Green.
What? Green. That's gonna be yellow.
Yellow.
That's gonna be red. Oh, no. What's it cute?
Can you hear it?
Yep. Can you even see it?
This come. Look
Look
around.
They're coming big. Pashow! Oh my god, that was extra big. Look at this one. Pow! Pow! That's big. And this one's big. Pow! Pashow! Who's gonna be big? Pashow, go down. Ah, pashow, pushing. Pashow, pashow. Pashow. Balik around! Hey, woo! Hey, woo! Hey. Come on. White, purple, and then green. Boom. Then green.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Red. And it's gonna be white. Push out. And then green. Whoa. And then green again. Push out. More fireworks are gonna come. They're gonna come. No waiting, guys. You have to. Do not skip this video because also I'm the commentator as well. So you have to listen to me. I am the commentator. Commentator. Oh my god, they're coming. Boom! They're gonna come now. They're gonna come. Boom! Well, this one's gonna be cool. Alright. They're coming. They're coming. So ready. Wow! Push on! Woo wee! Wee wee! Wee woo! Yeah! Push up and beat 'em! It's so fantastic! Yeah! This is so cool. That was worth it. Alright, they're gonna go. Come on, and then they go. Pisha! Yeah, they're coming. Push-out. Pushing. Push-out. Paring. Baraka. Push-out. Pushing. Yeah, wow, yay. Let's see on the camera. Boom! I want to see it here actually. Boom!
Yellow.
Pacow! Pow! I wasn't even ready. Well, it's gonna be cool. Come on. Is it gonna be cool? Come on. They're coming. It's coming. It's coming. What am I trying to see? Boom! That's what I'm trying to see. Push-out! Super big one. Push-out. Pushing. Push-out. Pushing. Galaka. Whoa, that's
Oh,
big.
that's cool. That's cool, da.
That's super big. Boom! Oh my god. Oh, yes!
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. There again. It's so cool. You can watch it on the camera as well. Is that finished? Let's see. Papa's nearly 30. Is it finished now?